Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates.
नमस्कार स्वागत छ सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा। आज हामी सेन्ट्रल रेफरल हस्पिटल मणिपालमा आइपुगेको छौँ र यहाँ आउने उद्देश्य है के हो हामी यहाँको मेडिकल सुपरिन्टेन्डेन्टबाट जान्नेछौँ।
यो डिपार्टमेन्ट त पहिलादेखि नै थियो emergency department. We had this emergency department which was there from the very beginning. We used to call that casualty. Now we are calling this as the department of emergency medicine. Okay, now what happens in this area is that we give absolute every care which is needed for a person who comes into the hospital and needs emergency care. So this is the first stop, as the dean said. This is the first stop. The patient will move in over here, and it will be evaluated by a team of emergency doctors who are trained. They are fully qualified as emergency doctors. And then from here, once they are stabilized, or whatever action needs to be taken is done, then they will be shifted to the necessary, to the different wards. From here it could be a patient with a heart attack, say. Initially, as soon as they come, instead of sending them to different places, we'll manage them here. And then once he's stabilized, we know where he needs to be sent, then we will send him to the appropriate area. So this is the हामीले गर्छ यसमा।
यसले चाहिँ है पेशेन्टहरुलाई कसरी लाभ हुनेछ?
लाभ किन उनीहरूलाई के हुन्छ भने अब इमर्जेन्सी आएपछि उनीहरूलाई अब एकदमै यही सबै सपोर्ट पाइहाल्छ हो। त्यो चाहिँ सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हो। हामीले चाहिँ इमर्जेन्सीमा चाहिँ त्यो पेशेन्टलाई इमर्जेन्सी सिचुएसनमै हामीले उसलाई ट्रिट गर्छ हो। त्यहाँबाट हामीले फेरि उनीहरूलाई ट्रान्सफर गर्छ कुन चाहिँ वार्डमा जाने, कुन चाहिँ युनिटको अन्डरमा जान्छ। सो दिस इज अ भेरी गुड एन्ड दिस वाज अ निडेड फेसिलिटी विच वी हेभ प्रोभाइडेड नाउ। सो एउटा एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ हाम्रो जनताहरूलाई, हाम्रो सिक्किमको मान्छेहरूको लागि एकदमै राम्रो फेसिलिटी क्रिएट गरेको छ।
सो यो सँगै तपाईले एचडियू को पनि उद्घाटन गर्नुभएको छ नि आज, यसको बारेमा अलिकति जानकारी।
एचडियू चाहिँ अब यस्तो हुन्छ कि पहिला चाहिँ हामीले के गर्थ्यौँ भने जो पनि पेसेन्टहरू अपरेसन गर्थ्यो उनीहरूलाई हामीले पोस्ट अप रुममा राख्थ्यौँ हो। बट अहिले चाहिँ के छ भने हामीले जो पनि पेसेन्टहरू हुन्छ वी विल शिफ्ट देम टु द एचडियू सो द्याट दे गेट बेटर केयर, or they are monitored better, and then the HDU is a bridge between the ICU and a ward. So koi pani patient suppose is sick and needs slightly upgraded care, we will move him to the HDU. If he needs further care, we move him to the ICU. त्यो पारले हामीले एउटा यस्तो पारले एउटा तरिकाले हामीले गर्छ यो कुरा।
जुन अहिले यो कोरोना काल चलिरहेको छ है, जुन कोभिडको पेन्डेमिक चलिरहेछ है, कोभिड पेशेन्ट्सहरुको लागि पनि के यसमा जोडिएको छ? या
नो, फर कोभिड पेशेन्ट्स इनिशियली दे विल कम टु दिस फेसिलिटी ओन्ली हो। त्यहाँबाट हामीले उनीहरूको अब कोभिड स्टेटस जानेपछि हामीले हाम्रो आफ्नो त्यो अलग्गै फेरि वार्ड छ आइसियू। वी हेभ सेपरेट आइसियू फर कोभिड हो। दे क्यानट बी पुट इन दिस फेसिलिटी हियर अगेन, सो even if they come here and then we'll sanitize this area, but the patient will be moved to the COVID ICU so that this facility can be utilized for other emergencies.
साथैमा सर हामीले ह्युमन मिल्क ब्याङ्कको बारेमा पनि सुन्यो है, यसको बारेमा अलिकति जानकारी।
हजुर, यो ह्युमन मिल्क ब्याङ्क चाहिँ एक्चुअली इज इनिसिएटिभ अफ रोटरी क्लब अफ गान्तोक। सो व्हाट दे हैव डन इज we have got the equipment already. We are going to partner with the CRH, Central Referral Hospital, because you see there are a lot of children who are born in the they cannot suckle the mother's milk. Some mothers cannot express milk, so the other women will come and donate milk for that child. Ultimately it is the mother's milk which is the best milk, whether it's from some other mother, it doesn't really matter, होइन। सो त्यो एउटा कन्सेप्ट हामीले गर्दैछौँ। यो युरोपियन कन्ट्रिजहरूमा छ यो। In India it hasn't picked up to that extent, but in the Western world it is a very common thing. So we are doing that also.
So, what message would you like to give to the people who are watching this video?
We would say that I would just like to mention one thing is that the CRH is there committed to serve the people of Sikkim, and we will try our best. We are upgrading our facilities to the best extent. We are getting the manpower, the required qualified manpower at designated areas. So we are looking at that, and we are working on that very sincerely.